You have to dance a little bit. Come on, man. Come on, come on. Alright. Well, at least you showed us a little bit of the dance, right? Maybe next time we'll do that sexy dance. Cool dancing. I want to. But, come on everyone, show Benjamin K some love. We hope to perform again in the future together. Thank you so much for coming.
He has a lot of fans in you. Is that right? Yeah.
Of course, we're just so happy that you guys are enjoying this night. As always, long for Sunday and po, maraming salamat. So 2 years ago, we had a collaboration with a great artist. It's such a beautiful song. And we're so honored to be on the great artist song together. I'm pretty sure you know this one. So we can wish